So there's like some really interesting sort of like top of line information as to why oracles are such a big issue for public ledgers. And recently we've seen quite a lot of exploits, right? I think something like 730 million due to exploits of oracles of various kinds. So that seems to be a sort of a big problem that the industry is facing. Now, you guys have come in a little later than sort of other people in the space. So why don't you just give me a little bit of background of how Supra oracles started and what you think that the gap that you saw is missing in the market and that drove you to build what you're building?
Yeah, certainly. So yes, I do understand that it may appear that we are kind of late to the game, but there's a couple of advantages of coming in late, actually. We could analyze what has worked and what doesn't work, and we had the time to study other approaches and innovate. And also, by and large, I do want to mention that my belief is that this is still very early, that we're still in the first innings of this revolutionary technology. Blockchain, I do have a fundamental belief that it will have a huge impact in the world, and we're still just at the tip of it. So, but yeah, to answer your question, what kind of drove us into this? This was actually, I guess the roots are in 2017, actually, in San Francisco, where kind of some early research was into, we were doing some research into blockchain. 2018, we set up a crypto lab. And during that period from 2018 crypto winter, right, it was a really tough period, 2018 till 2019, 2020. We did a lot of experimentation, from learning about other consensus protocols to actually implementing blockchain and solutions for different categories. And one of them was food supply chain. So I had a background in food supply chain and startups in the past, actually. And we were working with IoT devices and mapping it to blockchains, thinking through like, how do you create a IoT fault tolerant mesh network, all the way to securing that data from the kind of physical world through gateways into the cloud. Fast forward though, like this experience had, we through this, we had pilots with like companies, publicly traded companies like called Avantech in Taiwan, which is a publicly traded IoT and cloud provider, but they had no blockchain experience. We built out their middleware for them. And also this had led us to an opportunity to work with Walmart China to create a pilot in the food supply chain solution where we had IoT meets blockchain with QR codes, et cetera, to guarantee what they call the secure cold chain logistics solution. This is kind of the background of like, how do you get external data on chain in a secure manner? And then, of course, really to get to your answer or to your question it was in 2020 during DeFi summer, and we were seeing all these kind of Oracle exploits and manipulations. And we were like, oh, wow, we did a lot of research in consensus algorithms as well as getting external data on chain. We think we have a novel approach that is very secure, but also very fast, that we can bring a differentiated product to the world. So that was the kind of the root of Supra oracles.